Hello, my name is Raj, Team Lead Innovation Nest. I welcome you once again. We bring you yet again another episode to encourage you, to see you that you succeed in your startup. Today we're talking about time. What do you do for time? How are you going to engage yourself to see that you get the best out of your time? Well, when you're starting up an enterprise, it is very vital and important to give your project all the time you got. You can give your project 1 minute a day. You can give your project 30 minutes a day. But is it worth it? Is it going to yield results? You need to give the best time you got for your project. Make sure that every day at least you give a project about 4 hours. Make sure you engage in activities that produce results in your project. Set goals and be able to hit the time you have given it. COVID-19 has given us lessons to learn from. We have seen many challenges we are facing in our communities, and we can do something about it. It's not that we cannot do something about it, but we can do something about it if we give it time. What are you going to do next? What time are you going to invest in your project to see the best out of it? Keep it locked, Innovation Nest. I remain Raj from Innovation Nest. Remember to subscribe, share our videos with a friend, and start up today.